Good day and welcome to day two in the life of a WordPress website developer. And today we'll be discussing a few things. We'll be discussing things to do to get ready before developing a website. We'll be discussing creating and hosting accounts and also creating WordPress accounts and then importing WordPress into the hosting account. We'll also be discussing plugins, themes, and other tools that will be needed in developing a WordPress website. So on the first, which is planning your day. To create a WordPress website, it is actually mandatory you actually plan your day. So on my list, I have things that I have lined up for the day. And aside that, I have what I want to do while creating websites, my tasks for the WordPress website creation. So I have it's a hosting website creation, WordPress account creation, and start website building and discuss plugins. So this is actually my plan for the content I want to create today. Exactly. So and I have the plan for also developing the WordPress website. So now on the first, now I want to create hosting accounts, and one thing that's very crucial is when you are starting out, it's better to you could get free hosting platforms. An hosting platform that's free is Pantheon. And so if you search Pantheon, you can create an account with them where you can actually create a WordPress account for free, import WordPress account into Pantheon, and you can start your WordPress website development there. But I have little limitations, and that's because it's free. But you can basically do most things while creating a website. You can basically create a fully functional website with Pantheon and all for free. So
we'll create an account with Pantheon. Yeah, so here we can create our site. Let's create a new site. And we want to click WordPress. So we can name our site Life of a Developer. Here's the deployment process and stating WordPress is being deployed into Pantheon. So WordPress has been deployed into Pantheon, and now it's time to go to our dashboard. We could go to our dashboard through the development admin or the development site. Either way take you to the site dashboard. So let's install WordPress. We will type the name of our site, WordPress tutorial. Let's we are at our dashboard, and I'd like to talk on a few things. I'd like to explain things, plugins, and pages. And so, first of all, what do we define a theme as? So, a theme is that WordPress tool that gives a website a structure. Just like a house can be a detached, a semi-detached, a bungalow, and a duplex. The theme is what gives that website its structure, like how it's arranged, how elements interact with each other. That's the job of a theme. So it actually ensures the website has this defined structure. Let's see a few things. So now the current theme I'm using is 2025. That's the default WordPress theme. We also have 2011, we have 2015, we have 2014, 2019, so many more. So now let's explain what plugins are. So plugins is just simply the functionality of let me say widgets in a website. So plugins give the functionality of certain elements, several elements in the website. So what makes a website perform different functions, what makes a website float, jump, do certain things is the job of the plugins, exactly. So it gives that site its functionality. We'll learn more, we'll learn deeper about it when we are building pages and when we are exploring pages. But for now, I'll just take it out. It's that tool that gives pages the functionality. Like when you see a widget or like an element in a website floating up, floating down, jumping or performing different activities, exactly. That's the job of the plugin. So let's install a plugin. We can add a plugin here. Now I like to add this plugin called Elementor. It's a page builder, and I'm installing it because it will be needed for building pages, which I'm about to discuss. So install Elementor. Yes, so the next thing is pages, and pages are simply it's self-explanatory, just like the pages. They're just simply WordPress pages, and I installed Elementor because it's a page builder. I didn't use the default WordPress page builder because it's so simple. It's so simple. It doesn't have any it doesn't have any sophisticated features that's needed to build a standard website. The default WordPress page builder is Gutenberg block editor, but that block editor is not capable of building standard websites. So Elementor is a page builder that is a very common page builder, which is very, very easy to use and has most of the features several sophisticated page builders have. And it's easy to use, it's very easy to learn and easy to use. So it's my favorite page builder, and that's what we're using in building pages.